Today we're working on our budget boat. We're gonna work on the paint, get the interior done, and kind of all the trim and railings and things like that. So if you're new to the channel, a few months ago we started a project. I wanna show you guys that you can get a boat built for a decent price. You don't have to spend $80,000 on a new wakeboard boat. So what we did, we started with a $500 boat. We got a $1,200 used engine and outdrive. And then we spent about $1,000 on wood and fiberglass to get the stringers redone. So right now our total's at $2,738. And that's before we start doing any of the paint and interior work. So as we go along today, I'll pop the prices up of different things, and then at the end, we'll see what our total is for getting the paint and interior work done. Doing some paint, painting a boat, painting a boat, painting a boat. Slightly drag back through. Is that the right way to do it? Hope so. That's what I've been doing. We got the first coat of the yellow and the white paint on here. I think we're gonna have to do 2 more coats before we can call it done. The exact paint colors from this particular brand that we're using are yellow, plain white, and then the blue is not just normal blue. This one's a Largo blue. You've got a sand between every coat. So whatever color you're painting your boat, that's what color you're gonna turn, all your clothes are gonna turn. What the hell, kind of cheap Amazon rollers are these? Fly off the damn, oh, doesn't even stay on there. Oh, everybody loves painting. Just paint the boat, man. It's important to know when you're not good at something and you shouldn't be giving advice about it. And this is one of those times. This does not look that good. I'm doing this totally wrong, but it's a budget boat. It's gonna be all right. It's gonna look better than it was. So you guys let me know, what am I doing wrong here? Why is this stuff not laying down right? This looks horrible. All right, paint job's almost done. The blue, it laid down the best out of all of them. So I didn't get any bubbles. When I did the yellow and the white, it bubbled like mad. I don't get it. I mixed it the exact same. Who knows? This is the best part, peeling the tape off. Looks pretty good so far. I think this is about the best spot that I've done so far. So that's rolling it and then coming back over with the paintbrush, dragging through, and it starts to level down some. Let's see how this stuff sticks. It's just like a big old sticker. This is the cheapest flooring I could find on Amazon. It's probably gonna last a month in the sun, but that's all right. Got these pieces pre-cut. I'm gonna measure the halfway point between edges of the boat so I can try and center this. Should be good. All right, floor's installed. This is the EVA foam. This is 60 bucks a sheet off Amazon. So we're $180 in for the floor so far. It looks okay. They tried to give it a wood texture to the foam. I'll be curious to see what this looks like after the end of the summer. So we'll probably do a post-summer review on everything that we put in this boat. That way you guys can know how it held up. All right, here's what I'm using to hold these panels to the boat. Brass inserts, so these are 1/4 20 threaded on the inside. And there we go. A little motivation on the TV. Little cleator, a little jet button. Yeah. All right, we've got both sides in here now, and it's pretty sturdy. And so what we'll do, we'll wrap this in vinyl, and we'll do carpet back here, and then we'll have open storage all the way down each side of the boat, so we can put, you know, fenders, anchor light, things like that.
Can I get out the hose?
They look pretty good. What's that spot?
I don't know.
Good enough for the yellow boat. Nice job.
Thank you.
Cheapest carpet Home Depot's got, $100 for this big square. It's gonna be plenty to do the boat. So to finish off the interior, all we're gonna do, cut all these panels out of plywood, throw some epoxy over them so they don't rot, and then gonna cover every single one in either white vinyl, blue vinyl, or this cheapo brown carpet. Got the vinyl for 40% off at old Hobby Lobby. I got, I think, 10 yards of the white. It's pretty cheap. So I've been going at this for a while. Now I know it's time to take a break because I just did this entire panel, 100-something staples around it, looked great, and I realized I did it on the wrong side. This is the wrong side, and this piece of vinyl is now ruined. So that means it's break time. I've got the doghouse built that covers the engine, and then took aluminum angle and then cut pieces out of the side, heated it up, and then bent it to shape. So now I've got the shape pretty good. I've got this piece at the back here. And what we'll do, we'll get the TIG welder out, we'll TIG weld all of this up, and then sand it down, and then it should just look like one smooth piece. All right, now we sand this down. Hopefully we won't even see that anymore. You good dog. Good job. So I found the original glove box that came in this thing in 1974. Atwood still makes this kind of stuff, which is pretty cool. And it fits perfect. It's the exact same model. Got the original windshield back in. Some of this aluminum is pretty chewed up, so maybe at some point I'll see about kind of what aftermarket windshield replacement might look like. All right, so we're working on the stereo, even though the engine is still over there, so this is not that important. But Cody made some speaker boxes here that look pretty good. You've done a lot of these, haven't you?
Couple over the years.
Couple over the years. We've got these pile subwoofers. Little pancake subs going under the seats. We're not sure how they're gonna sound. What'd you say?
Did you make these seat bases, or are those actual seat bases and you're just putting them together?
Yeah, these are Amazon seat bases, yeah. Nate's up in Kansas. What are you doing, man?
How much? up, you can't ignore it. I'm transforming now these cars and planes, I'm always boarding. Just out touring down in Charlotte like I play for Hornets.
I'll tell you what's what. If you hook it up wrong, you see sparks, you know what happened.
Finish frames on my face, looking like I'm from the deep. These no Cartiers, pockets deep, 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 bro.
So for sound, I've got some really old speakers out of this boat that I put in 10 years ago. They're a little rusty, but they still work. Yes, Cody did good. He's got one panel here with a 6x9, one here, and then this little Boss head unit fits pretty nice right next to the glove box. Ricky got all the cleats installed. I've never tried these before, but these are a flip-up cleat. He also got our vents installed, so we've got one vent facing this way, so that's our fresh air in, and then we've got our exhaust side. I got the old flagpole installed. That's important there. I got Old Glory. So the original railing is all in. This is the original tubing and new supports and T's here. And this is all stainless bolted, and it is strong as can be.
Is this song something about Helen Keller? That's what I'm hearing.
About who? Helen Keller?
Helen Keller.
That was Borgor.
All I was hearing was 100, 100, son of Helen Keller.
Wow. It was Borgor, man. You don't remember Borgor? Let's talk about the budget real quick. Okay, so with everything that we've done here, so the paint, all the interior stuff, you know, the cleats, the vinyl, the vents, the flagpole, everything you've seen, that added another $1,450 to the budget. So our grand total for the moment is $4,200. But we're not done. We've still got to rebuild the outdrive, so there's some parts in there that are not included in the budget yet. We've got the trim, all the stuff on this table that I haven't included yet. So that's what we're gonna do the rest of this week, is get the engine and the running gear installed. And then next video, we'll have the grand total of our budget boat. And then the video after that, we're gonna do sea trials and see if this thing actually works. So anyway, appreciate you guys watching. See y'all on the next one.